And welcome back to Good Morning Kentucky. Ashley-Cade joins me. We are still celebrating Friday despite the fact that we're getting a snow shower.
Yeah, chance for snow, but yeah, the weekend is still right around the corner, and so are warmer temperatures, so still a lot to be happy about. We won't be too sad about that snow chance for today. Also, we'll try not to be too sad that temperatures still cold for yet another morning. So we're in those upper 20s, some people in the lower 30s for right now. Actually not too bad compared to what we've had in recent times. So 28 degrees in Lexington and Mount Sterling, 30 in Richmond, Mount Vernon, 27 out in Jackson. However, feels like temperatures are going to be even colder. We've got some strong southwestern winds. It is bringing in some of those more mild or less cold temperatures, I should say, for this morning, but because it is so breezy, it's knocking us down by about 5 to 10 degrees. So 19 is what it feels like in Lexington, 21 in Richmond, Mount Vernon and Jackson, 20 in Danville and Somerset. So still feeling cold out there. We are going to see a chance for that snow as we head towards late morning. We've got this cold front that's starting to sink through the Midwest. It'll make it here to the Commonwealth soon enough. And that snow is going to make it into our area as well. Starting to get into Indiana, not quite here just yet. I think closer to 8, 9 a.m. is when we're going to start to see some of that snow making its way in. Now, here's what we're going to be looking at. Mainly snow to the northeast, to the west of 75. A little bit of snow, but mostly a mixture of snow and some rain. And then the south looking to see rain as well. This is how that plays out as it goes into our area. That cold front starting to make its way closer. Could even see a chance for a few pockets of some heavier snowfall as we go into this late morning and early afternoon. Again, mainly to the northeast there, with the chance for rain out ahead of that. That's where we see temperatures for some of us in those mid to upper 30s. Then as that cold front passes through, could see some very gusty winds. So if there's snow falling, maybe briefly reducing visibility by a little bit, also causing temperatures to feel colder. We'll get a little bit of a lull in some activity, I think, this afternoon. Some flurries likely still falling, and then some more snow showers as we head into tonight. So we'll see more snow falling, clearing out as we head into our Saturday morning as high pressure starts to build in. That leads to a calmer start to the weekend. As we go into Sunday, that high pressure sinks. We're watching the system to our north. Going to be bringing in some snow for parts of Ohio, West Virginia. I think it's going to stay far enough to our northeast that we shouldn't see much here in Lexington. Maybe a few flurries, but looking like most of us are going to be staying dry. That's the way that we're trending. Then we're trending dry as we head into the start of next week. Really looking forward to that. But first, we have to get through today. So that active weather is going to be brought in by another Clipper system, very similar to what we saw on Tuesday, where we had a little bit of that rain and then some snow. So rain and snow early afternoon, probably towards the late morning as well, with those scattered snow showers wide all throughout the bluegrass. That's into tonight with impacts, maybe some quick developing slick spots in a few areas, a little bit of some slush as possible, and very minor accumulations. I don't think many of us are going to have very impactful snowfall, as in I don't think we're going to see a lot sticking to the ground. Trace amounts to upwards of ½ an inch for most of us. Then as we go toward the northeast, where we kind of saw that band of some heavier snow possibly setting up, there we could see maybe 1 inch, possibly a little bit over the further north and east you go, starting to get into Ohio there. But that does line up with where we have those winter weather advisories. Those are going to take effect at 7 a.m. going through this evening. That's because we could see impacts to that late morning commute and then to the evening commute as well, where I talked about a few quick developing slick spots possible. Then we have a brief cool down into this weekend following that cold front. Saturday we'll have a cold start to the day, struggling to make it out of the 20s, maybe a few of us hopping over and being able to reach 30 degrees. Sunday we're right around freezing. That's where we could see a few flurries possible, but I think most of us going to be staying dry. In fact, don't even have that chance of precipitation really for us on Sunday. Then as we head to next week, here's where things looking so much better. I'm breathing a sigh of relief here because we've got temperatures in those 40s to start off with, and then in the 50s as we trend towards the end of the week and towards our Valentine's Day.